Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you some of the new features for online testing in Aware. To do this, first, you need to be on your Assessment tab. Open up one of your assessments that you've created or that is part of your team tests. And then you will come over to the General tab. And on this tab, you can rename your assessment if it does not follow some of our district naming conventions. So we recommend that you put in the name of your school and then your grade level, then your subject, and then any information about the unit or when you gave the test. You can change any of the subject folders, add any courses. You can also make sure to set those performance levels. We highly recommend that you set the approaches, meets, and masters performance levels. What percentage of the test would the students have to get right in order to meet grade level standards, master grade level standards, and then approach grade level standards? Definitely have those conversations with your PLC team. But there are two other parts that are one you may be familiar with and one that's relatively new. One is the instructions, and this is where you can type in any instructions you would like for your students to consider as they're taking this test. So, make sure to take your time, or this is a secure test. Afterwards, you get the idea. Whatever you want them to see before they take their online test. The other thing is to be able to upload a reference document. So this is helpful, especially for math classes that are a STAR grade level. If you want to go ahead and give them the STAR chart, we also have a resource that can show the students how to open up a link for a dictionary if you're an ELAR/SLAR teacher and they're taking a reading or a writing test. You might also want to give them a periodic table or any other kind of reference document that would be helpful for your assessment. It must be one single PDF. You cannot upload multiple documents. To do that, you click the Upload Reference Document. Give it a title that's only for you. You don't need to give it a description. Choose a file. Navigate to your folder that has your file. Select it. Then press Upload. You can always view this reference material by clicking on it just to double check what you added. But otherwise, that is how you use the General tab.